Here's a 9-inch JCPenny table fan that I got at Salvation Army along with the Honeywell fan. This one. This fan was in near mint condition when I got it, but over the years the base has gotten a little yellow. Nothing I can do about that. Still works fine though, and this is a rebadged Lasko fan. You can tell because it says LMP on the plug. Looks like one. I also have the 12-inch version of this, which I've made a video of. It's in storage right now, but anyway, I'll turn it on now. It's 2 speeds. Here's the low. It's very quiet. It is oscillating. Turn it to the high. There it is off. There's a view of the side and the back, and there's a sticker on the bottom. And that's my 9-inch JCPenny table fan. Thanks for watching.